Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Phantom Wallet to Axiom. To begin, open Axiom in your browser and make sure the page has fully loaded. This is where you'll connect your wallet and manage the account import process. If you're using Phantom as a browser extension, it helps to confirm that the extension is already installed and accessible before moving forward. Once you're on Axiom, click on the Phantom extension. This will bring up your Phantom Wallet so you can access its account options. If the extension doesn't appear right away, check your browser's extension area and open it from there. After that, click on your profile inside Phantom. This takes you into the wallet's account area where the settings and security options are available. From the profile view, look toward the lower right area and click on Settings. Inside Settings, choose Security and Privacy. This section contains the controls related to wallet protection and recovery information. Next, click on Show Recovery phrase and then follow the on-screen procedure. Be very careful during this part. Recovery information is highly sensitive, so make sure you're in a private space and never share it or expose it on screen recordings, screenshots, or public displays. When you've completed that on-screen process, return to the main Axiom interface. Now click on the profile icon at the top right of the screen. This opens your Axiom account menu. From there, select Account and Security. This area contains the tools for managing connected or imported accounts. Next, click on Manage Account to continue. Within the Account Management section, click on Import. This is the option that allows you to bring your Phantom Wallet account into Axiom. You'll then be prompted to enter the private key from your Phantom Wallet. At this stage, carefully enter the private key exactly as shown in your wallet without extra spaces or formatting changes. Accuracy matters here because even a small typo can prevent the import from working properly. Also, for your security, never share your private key with anyone and avoid pasting it into any untrusted site or tool. Only proceed if you are certain you're on the correct Axiom page. Once the key is entered, follow any remaining on-screen prompts to complete the import. After that, your Phantom Wallet should be connected for use within Axiom. That's it for this guide on connecting Phantom Wallet to Axiom. Take your time with the security-related steps, and you should be all set.